Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring a topic that's crucial in our fast-paced world: finding joy in slowing down. In our daily rush, we often miss out on simple activities that can bring us true happiness. Let's dive into 5 practical tips that involve specific actions to help you embrace a slower pace and find joy in the present moment. Tip 1 is gardening. Gardening is a wonderful way to connect with nature and slow down. Whether you have a large backyard or a small balcony, planting flowers, vegetables, or herbs can be incredibly therapeutic. Take time to feel the soil, notice the growth of your plants, and enjoy the fresh air. The act of nurturing plants can bring a profound sense of calm and satisfaction. Gardening also teaches patience and mindfulness. Watching a plant grow from a tiny seed into a flourishing bloom requires time and care, reminding us to appreciate the gradual progress. It's a great way to get some light exercise and soak up vitamin D from the sunlight, which boosts your mood and overall health. You can make it a family activity, involving your kids or partner, turning it into a bonding experience. If you don't have outdoor space, indoor gardening with potted plants or a small herb garden on your windowsill can be just as rewarding. Each season brings new opportunities and challenges in the garden, keeping the activity engaging year-round. As you become more attuned to the cycles of nature, you might find a deeper connection to the environment and a greater sense of responsibility towards it. Sharing the fruits of your labor, like homegrown vegetables or flowers, with friends and neighbors can also spread joy and foster a sense of community. Tip 2 is cooking. Cooking a homemade meal is a wonderful way to slow down and savor the moment. Start by choosing a recipe that excites you, whether it's a family favorite or something new. As you begin to cook, focus on each step and enjoy the process. Begin by preparing your ingredients. Washing, chopping, and measuring can be relaxing when done mindfully. Pay attention to the textures, colors, and smells. Cooking can be a sensory delight, from the sound of sizzling vegetables to the aroma of herbs and spices. Take your time with each step. If you're sautéing onions, let them get golden and fragrant. If you're simmering a sauce, let it cook slowly to develop rich flavors. This unhurried approach not only makes your food taste better, but also gives you a chance to relax and enjoy the act of cooking. Involve your loved ones in the process. Cooking together can be a fun and bonding experience. It's a great way to connect and create lasting memories. Finally, consider keeping a recipe journal. Document the dishes you make, any tweaks you try, and the stories behind them. This journal can become a cherished collection of culinary adventures and a source of inspiration for future meals. Cooking is more than just making food. It's about creating joy and nourishment for yourself and those you love. Tip 3 is journaling. Journaling is a powerful practice that allows you to slow down and connect with yourself on a deeper level. Taking just a few minutes each day to write can have profound benefits for your mental clarity and emotional well-being. Whether you jot down your daily experiences, explore your dreams and aspirations, or simply unload your thoughts, journaling serves as a therapeutic outlet. It helps you process complex emotions, understand recurring patterns in your life, and gain insights into your own behavior. By putting pen to paper, you engage in a mindful activity that encourages self-reflection and mindfulness. This simple act can help you stay grounded in the present moment and reduce stress. Journaling doesn't require any special skills. It's about expressing yourself authentically and without judgment. Over time, your journal becomes a valuable record of your personal growth and evolution. Consider experimenting with different styles of journaling, such as gratitude journaling, where you write about things you're thankful for each day. Alternatively, try reflective journaling, where you analyze past events to gain perspective. Adding creativity to your journal, like sketches, collages, or even occasional poems, can make the process more enjoyable and meaningful. Make journaling a regular part of your routine, perhaps as a morning ritual or before bed. As you commit to this practice, you'll likely notice improvements in your mood, stress levels, and overall sense of well-being. Tip 4 is walking. Taking a walk in nature is a simple yet profound method to slow down and reconnect with yourself. Leave behind your phone and immerse yourself in the natural surroundings. Whether you stroll through a serene park, meander along forest trails, or walk barefoot on a tranquil beach, these experiences can revitalize your spirit and foster a sense of tranquility. Nature has a unique ability to calm the mind and relieve stress. The fresh air, soothing sounds, and scenic views provide a therapeutic escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Use this time to breathe deeply, clear your thoughts, and appreciate the beauty of the natural world around you. Engaging with nature also promotes physical well-being. Walking outdoors boosts your energy levels, enhances circulation, and strengthens your immune system. It's an opportunity to exercise at your own pace while enjoying the serenity of your surroundings. As you integrate nature walks into your lifestyle, you may find yourself more attuned to the rhythms of the natural world. This awareness can deepen your connection to the environment and foster a greater sense of environmental stewardship. Share this experience with loved ones, inviting them to join you on nature adventures that create lasting memories and strengthen bonds. Tip 5 is practicing yoga or stretching. Incorporating yoga or stretching into your daily routine is a powerful way to slow down and reconnect with your body. Find a peaceful spot, lay out your mat, and gently flow through various poses or stretches. Pay close attention to your breath and the sensations that arise in each movement. This mindful practice not only helps alleviate stress, but also enhances flexibility and promotes a deep sense of relaxation. Allocate dedicated time for your practice, whether it's in the morning to start your day with tranquility or in the evening to unwind and release tension. Each session offers an opportunity to release physical and mental strain, allowing you to cultivate a more harmonious relationship between your body and mind. Yoga and stretching also foster mindfulness by encouraging you to stay present in the moment. As you move through each pose, notice how your body responds and where you may hold tension. By acknowledging these sensations without judgment, you can gradually ease discomfort and improve overall body awareness. Regular practice can lead to noticeable improvements in your physical well-being. Increased flexibility and muscle strength support better posture and joint health, reducing the risk of injury in daily activities. Moreover, the rhythmic flow of yoga poses can enhance circulation and boost energy levels, leaving you feeling revitalized after each session. Thank you for joining us on this journey to find joy in slowing down. Remember, it's not about doing more, but about being more present and appreciating the simple activities that make life beautiful. Try incorporating these tips into your daily routine and notice how they transform your perspective. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care and embrace the joy of slowing down.